Imagine a world where you achieve more with less effort, where time and waste are minimized. Welcome to the power of lean thinking. Lean manufacturing is all about optimizing efficiency. It focuses on eliminating waste to enhance productivity. Now, let's apply these principles to our everyday lives. Step 1. Identify value. What activities truly matter to you? Focus on what contributes to your goals and brings joy. Step 2. Map the value stream. Analyze your daily routines to identify bottlenecks. Visualize your day to see where time and energy are spent. You'll certainly find lots of time wasters that get in the way. Step 3. Create flow. Streamline processes and eliminate interruptions. Minimize distractions and find ways to move seamlessly between tasks. Step 4. Reduce waste. Apply the 7 types of waste to your life. Eliminate unnecessary tasks and simplify your processes. Step 5. Embrace continuous improvement. Seek out opportunities to refine your routines. Look for ways to make life more efficient and enjoyable. Now let's put these principles into practice. Start small by choosing one area of your life. Track your progress and adjust your approach as needed. Be patient with yourself. Applying lean principles is a journey. Celebrate your achievements and embrace continuous improvement. To summarize, the 5 lean principles can transform your life. Imagine achieving your goals effortlessly and enjoying more free time. Embrace lean thinking and share your experiences with us. To learn more, visit emsstrategies.com and sign up for free resources.